Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove Grammarly from iPhone. First of all, locate Grammarly on your home screen and long press on it. You will see a Remove Application button. Click on it and click on Delete App. After that, again confirm the deletion process by clicking on Delete. And that is how you can delete Grammarly app. You can also remove the application from your settings. Open up a settings application and go to General. Here, go to Storage and search for Grammarly application. If you do not find it, you can also type in on the search bar at the top of the screen. After that, click on it and you will see Offload App and Delete App option. Click on Delete App and confirm it once again. As you can see that Grammarly application has been removed. So that is how you can remove Grammarly application from your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.